I've been told this is one of the two fans you want to buy. There's two different fans for your Quest 2. This one blows on your face. There is one that also sucks air through the goggles and does the same thing to get rid of fogging and all that. The difference between them, this one's going to dry out your eyes. If you have contacts, you're probably going to have a lot more problems. This one, I'm told that it will help you not sweat. And the one that pulls the air through, you'll sweat, depending on how hard your workout is, but it doesn't dry out your eyes. Now this is a push. It pushes air into it, so it is going to dry your eyes out. I'm trying both of them out, seeing which one I want. It has two different speeds on it, 5-second cycle and a keep blowing, 5 on, 5 off. There's a guy that did an awesome review on this for 5. It was 5 on, 5 off, and he said it was quite annoying. Looks like there we got a strap or something. We'll get to that in the instructions. Another strap with a cord. I'm going to be using this, which doesn't really work with it, but this has this is a BOBOVR M2 Plus, and that's actually output, so you can charge it while you're using it. And then here is the facial interface with the fan built in. Wrapped in there all nice. It's very light. It's definitely light. Doesn't look like you can remove it. Let's see if it's charged at all. Okay, it's charged. It's just quieter than the stuff I have running in the background. I can feel the air coming out. USB-C, 500 milliamp battery on the inside, it says. Nice foam. Doesn't feel like foam that would last that long. It feels like it would kind of crumble up. Like I could just push it and it's, I don't know, it just doesn't feel as good as it could. Now this has a nose piece that is staying in there. It's not going to pop out when you take it out. It does cover up almost all the air that comes, or all the light that comes through there. Vent holes right there to blow in. Your hook that goes up there for your strap. Let's put this on. I'm going to take out the old one.